everyone, I'm Fiona, and today I'm dyeing my hair mushroom brown and getting lilac lowlights. So before we get into this transformation, do not forget to subscribe down below. Down below, down below. I've never dyed my hair like this before. I've always kind of gone au naturel. It tends to have a brassy undertone and sometimes will turn green when I hop in the pool. Right now, my hair is making me feel black, to be honest. I don't hate it, but I definitely don't love it. My hair inspiration has always been Olivia Wilde. I think she carries multi-dimensional brown really, really well. Lilac has always been my favorite color, and I have really followed the trend of mushroom brown this year. I've also kind of been inspired by our very own Mian, who I ran into in the elevator with super lilac hair. So I am finally womaning up and deciding to change my hair now because there's really no time like the present.
Hi Fiona, I'm Siobhan, welcome to Cut Loose. Are you ready for your hair transformation?
Yes, can't wait.
Hi Fiona, I'm Mary. I'm gonna be doing your mushroom brown hair color today. So we're gonna just kind of deepen the roots a little bit, and then we're gonna go through and paint highlights. We'll have a little bit of like an iridescence in there so that it really does read mushroom brown.
I guess I'm kind of nervous to get this done. I've always had this same hairstyle since I was like 16. This is a big change for me. I hope people love the transformation. I feel like my inner self is kind of like a fairy. As a kid, I always wanted to be a fairy, so this is super cool and getting to experiment in that playful universe. I do work in the media industry in a big girl job, and while it is accepted that, you know, people have playful hair within my line of work, it doesn't always translate as well to the outside business world, but I don't really care. I'm gonna embrace my hair and my boss mentality. I'm hoping I feel more vibrant and more playful. I think this hair is going to really reflect kind of the inner transformations that I've been going through and just bring to life some of the fun elements of my personality that have been hidden with this kind of bland hair. I'm most excited to see myself in a whole different hue.
Are you ready to see your final look?
Yes. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, it looks so good. This is exactly what I wanted. I feel like this hair is the perfect hue to represent me, especially all these changes that I've been through in the past year. I love, love, love the lilac undertones. It's everything I could have hoped for. You guys, let us know what you think in the comments below. To subscribe, click here. To watch more, click here.